Hey everybody, it's Tim, EngineFactory.com. Just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1932 Ford 5-window coupe. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we got the 350 Chevrolet late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, painted the red with the brass freeze plugs. You have the brand new balancer on there, 6 3/4 balancer, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, brand new polished short water pump, standard rotation, aluminum cylinder heads are on there. We have the ridge style nostalgic valve covers with a polished intake manifold, chrome thermostat housing, thermostats installed. We have the proper rear sump oil pan on there, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, MSD ignition coil set in place, small cap distributor all set, real important for firewall clearance on the 5-window coupe, proper flex plate, proper balance and tooth count for the 350 Chevrolet and customer's transmission, high torque mini starter on there, chrome dipstick and tube, heavy duty Russell PCV ventilation line and PCV valve, manifold vacuum fittings for easy hookups, the chrome dual feed fuel line, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps set in place, gas filter. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, complete turnkey, ready to go. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, completely dialed in, ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.